Let's start immediately. What we need: our three main tools, round nose pliers, chain nose pliers, and flush cutter. The second important tool, round nose pliers, and then a piece of bead, stone, or a pearl even, and I'm using a stick stone with the shape of an eye, or rounded one, and of course wires of about 24 and 28 gauges, and yes, a toothpick. Let's start by drawing the design and the map that we are going to make. This is going to be an eye. The wire, of course, is going to be shaped like an eye with two wire wrapping parts at each side, just like this. And I'm going to design this eye and appropriate with my stone. So determine the size and then attach the crucial points that you had determined, and this is going to be the eye, and we have two tails to be wrapped all around each other. If we open it up, it would be something like this, two curved parts, and with wire weaving on one of them. These are, of course, the eyelashes. We pick up 24 gauge wire, pull it to be straight, put it on the line that you had drawn, and you could bend on every point that you had determined as the crucial points. And this part is the one that we are going to wrap the wire all around and make wire weaving parts. We need the toothpick, but before we make a tie and a knot on this wire so that it would be attached tight first. Then, after wrapping the wire about 3 times, we add the toothpick. Now we wrap the thinner wire, 28 gauge wire, all around both toothpick and the wire. And then for the next one, we wrap 20 gauge wire all around 24 gauge wire, and we continue that for 3 times, and then 1 all around both of them, and again 3 times on 24 gauge wire, and we continue that till the end. This is the upper curve on the eye, and we extract the toothpick. This would be something like this, the eyelashes, of course. And we are going to cut the extra wire out and then to squeeze and push the ending point so that there wouldn't be any sharp edges left. Then we are going to push and squeeze those tall eyelashes to be flattened a bit, just like this, and then to curve it with your finger and to put it on the stone to check if the size and the curve is okay. And then with chain nose pliers make a bend, and again with round nose pliers try to make a symmetrical curved shape to the first one to make a beautiful eye. At this point, we put the stone in between to check if the size is okay, and then to close the shape with wrapping the wire all around. Also, don't forget to squeeze and to cut the extra part out to have this very beautiful shape. Then insert the thinner wire in and make a wire coiling part at the beneath part of this eye shape. Maybe you need to use your round nose pliers to curve the wire better. Do that about 3 times and to squeeze it well to have a beautiful wire coil. Then cut the wire out, insert the bead in to be put at the middle of this eye, and then make another wire coiling in front of the first one and to put the structure on the ring mandrel and cut the wire out with a extra part to make a loop. Then insert that loop in and make it curved and to have a wire wrapping part to attach these two. And now this is ready, our very beautiful wire ring, the eye wire ring with the sticky stone or any other, of course, kind of stones that you like. Hope you had enjoyed this tutorial and make one for yourself or for the one that you love.